Hello guys, welcome to Dravidian in Europe. Today's video we are going to shoot a yoga vlog. It's been 15 days. I'm not shooting anything related to yoga, so I thought of doing like a day vlog of my yoga practice, as it is spring and it's so nice outside. So I thought of doing yoga practice outside, and I prepared all my things like water bottle, your yoga notes and your yoga mats. So we will just quickly go out and find some better place to do yoga peacefully. I have really nice window view and I really enjoy my window view. Sometimes I used to do yoga in my room itself, but today I would like to do it outside as it's so nice spring day. So why not outside? I said I'm staying in student dome and it's near to my university, so I really have a nice campus with a lot of nature. Everywhere you will find some place to sit alone and to know yourself better, and you really have a really peaceful place at here. That's the reason I would like to go out every evening when it's summer, and that is what we are doing today with me. Now the problem is like location is so nice, but I have to find really flat surface and little bit of shade, because I can't really do yoga in on uneven surfaces. So now it's going to be a little bit complicated for me, because now I have to figure it out. Thinking if I go up a little bit, maybe I'll find some flat surface, because 2 days back I have seen some people are chilling it here and it was really nice. It's really awesome. You guys can see my background, the small flowers. It's really nice. Look at that. Wow. But I need some shade. Oh god. Bite. So let's do some Hatha Sun Salutations, because before you are doing any yoga asanas, it's really important to do some Sun Salutations to activate your body and mind, because Sun Salutations are the basic and important thing before your yoga class. So who are not interested to do, it's completely fine. Okay, let's go. And also it's important to relax your body, or just to surroundings, by taking some inhales and exhales. Inhale. It's really important that before you are doing any yoga asanas, please make sure that you are doing some warm-ups. These warm-ups, maybe it's like your sports warm-ups or any warm-ups. You have to do some movements in your body to make it more easier and more comfortable. And with this beautiful nature, today we are going to do that. I'll do and let's go and do our sun salutations in a side view. Okay, so guys, now we are going to do other set of sun salutations. Really thanks for watching and supporting. For the more interesting yoga related videos, for the more nice yoga information, I'm going to do regularly from now, and I hope you guys support me, these Adunik Yogi. You guys can also follow me on Instagram, Umesh Chandra. I'm going to do a lot of other content.